Hi everyone. Today Friday, July 4, and now I am in the Red Street, sit in Kokomas restaurant. Rainy day again. And this video, with this live stream, I want to talk about blogging in the Philippines, in Angeles City, not only in the Red Street. So I just want to talk story because one day I meet with one of our subscriber, and he had a nice conversation. We have nice conversation in different topics, and I'd like to share some thoughts with you, with our subscribers and viewers. I hope you would listen to me because maybe before not good connection, but I use now wireless microphone, and I hope you can hear me. Okay, first, what about these topics about live stream? About hate, anger, jealousy and boredom. These things is really surprise me, because we talking with our subscriber. It's a long time our subscriber. So first, in Angeles and surround areas, is not only Angeles, Mabalacat, maybe Tarlac or Manila also, any places, many expats and tourists from different countries, you know. Some of people run business, others live off with savings or have pension. What about connecting many of them? I can reply to you. It's answer, it's YouTube. Why YouTube? I can explain now. It seems like many foreigners here have YouTube channels. Some of course I watch before. Now I not watch because it's not interesting for me. So some of film secretly in the walking street, Red Street. Some of make video inside in home, in apartments. Other of they traveling not only Philippines and any countries, but they live in the Angeles. For some it's just only hobby. For other maybe it's a source of income, money from YouTube, or simply a way to express himself. Yeah, sometimes of people have money, have a pension, but they want to show himself in the video. So after talking to our subscribers, I realize what many people make a video just because they are bored live in the Philippines, I think, and YouTube give them something to do. It's my opinion also, but what I don't understand about this, why do some bloggers or bloggers spend their time make video about another bloggers? So we're talking sometimes video about another bloggers. They criticize them, like judge them also, act like police or court, but they just only simple tourists or simple expats. They not work in police in the Philippines, they just only live in the Philippines. Okay, I will move camera to front. Maybe interesting to watch in the walking street, not my face, and continue talk. So, but why? Why they just more attention to themselves? For what? Some of people also garaging a new law about public filming. You know, have new public filming. It's law. It's not new. Actually, it's nothing really new. It's old. Just only have some correct more information about this law. Even before, bloggers or anyone not allowed to film children without parents' permission. And also, if people some don't like filming, he can say to not post on YouTube or Facebook. So it's the same. It's not new. Now the law simply says you must blur faces of children, helpless elderly people or other vulnerable groups, especially if you security guard, police officer, or posting on YouTube. Anyone who filming, use camera in YouTube post or Facebook, TikTok also, any media, any. As for our channel, we say it always, many times, we always blur faces if they ask us. Always. Almost every day we get requests to blur faces, especially in the Balibago area. Walking Street, Red Street, Nea Street, Fields Avenue. And you probably know why. You know why they don't like in the video. Many women have several supporters, you know, many guys who support women. Of course they want to keep private. They don't like show your face, maybe use some face mask or don't like in the camera. Or some of men also visit this area secretly, meet with another woman and hiding from their family. We do not judge anyone. Anyone has their own reasons, so different reasons why they don't want to filming. It's okay for us. So what we don't understand is why YouTubers living in the Philippines hate another YouTubers. By the way, we don't really consider ourselves bloggers. I don't know. We are not bloggers. We just show filming only. But bloggers maybe have its one business. It's like bloggers and have money only for blog. Nothing to do. Only take video for make money. For us, it's only hobby. Sometimes Shaira take videos, and sometimes I walking and filming also. And what we keep making video for you. Even no more walking street. We will continue filming video for you. Even don't have walking street, even don't have red street, even don't have even close walking street. And that's why we keep making video for you, because for our subscribers already 53,000 subscribers. Some of subscribers waiting every day new video, and we also will film our travels or everyday life if you want. Even you not want to watch video from our everyday life, but we can filming for you. So guys, you already understand what I need to say to you, to our subscribers. Maybe you understand me, but I not understand sometimes bloggers who filming about another bloggers. They don't want to make own video. They talking only about another bloggers, judge another bloggers, how they bad, what they can filming and what they do in the Philippines. Have police, have court. If you don't like someone, you can report to court, you can report to police, you can report to YouTube. It's okay if you don't like. If you think it's some of vloggers is have criminal or do it wrong here, of course you can, but you cannot judge. You're not police here in the Philippines. You're not working in the Philippines. You're just only tourist or expat. What I say to you. So we will continue filming. Of course, we will blur faces who don't like. Same like before. Nothing too new for us. We just only do it what we do it before. So now you can watch Walking Street, Red Street. You can again I change, and you can see now in the Walking Street, Red Street, empty. Only maybe Korean take girls from the bars and going to hotel or go to eat. No, Korean guys is good. They always take girls go to restaurants, some KTV. Sometimes people say, "Oh, Korean guys bad." No, Korean guys also good guys have. Every nationalities have good and bad. That's why for me, any nationality, I'm not racist. Any color for me, skin color, it's okay for me. So Korean, Indian, Russian, maybe some of people who go to Thailand say, oh, so many Russian restaurants, Russian mafia, they say it. Yes? Maybe some of people say it. Not good if so many Russian. I know so many Russian who have business in Taiwan. Thailand, not only Pattaya. They rent motorcycles. Of course, they for this they own only. They own of places. But Thai people working, and it's good also. In Taiwan, always Taiwan. Thailand is good business because always many tourists, always. Not same like in the Philippines. Philippines, it's especially Angeles. Most of hotels closed, don't have visitors. I not know why people invest money to hotels if don't have tourists. It's not good investment. Investment, not good. I think. Maybe season, maybe 2 months, maybe not only. Okay, read the chat now. Igor Gusev say добрый день. Hi, Igor Gusev. Hello. In Russian, please not message because most of our subscribers they cannot understand. Tito George Travel said, hi Leon. Not rainy days yet in Cebu City. Later tonight rain will come. Yeah, maybe in Cebu don't have rain, but in Angeles all Pampanga, and not only Pampanga, rain. Sergey Belyaev, hi everyone. Wet here in the Angeles. I just translate. Tita George Travel said many Korean men are married and Korean wife see them in Red Street. Korean wife, not everyone Korean wife watches YouTube. Tito George Travel said, Leon follow. Yes, I always follow. If you don't wish to have your face show them, tell him. Jason said, evening Leon, weather not good. Yes, weather not good. But tomorrow I need to go to Bataan with Shaira. visit our friend, Filipino friend. Already in our video, maybe you watched before. Maybe I will take video. But I hope it's not big rain. But I will filming, of course. Smitty27 said hello from Sydney. Hi from the Sydney. Sydney, I think now cold. Maybe now cold in Sydney. So weather in the Philippines good for me. Even rain, even don't have rain. So I can, for me any weather is good in the Philippines, any. Rain, hot. I like Philippines, I like weather in the Philippines. Everything is good for me. So if rain, I never say, oh, not good weather, it's okay. Rain also okay. Not need to wash my car. Not dust. Clean the road. It's also good. LG said, thank you for your schedule Friday live stream. You are welcome, LG. Corfu Golden Hotels. Wait 1 minute. Excuse me. Hot tea, green tea, hot and regular water, no ice.
Okay.
Okay, thank you. I just say to waitress to take hot green tea and regular water. Corfu Golden Hotel said, where are the girls? The girls inside the bar and also they standing outside. But outside rain, that's why not so many. And very few people. Jason said I'm in Makati having rest from Angeles City. Oh, it's good place Makati. I like Makati also. I like my go to Manila, but one problem. Traveling to Manila it's easy, but inside Manila it's not easy for me drive car. Because I don't like this road in Manila. Always traffic. If I traveling to Manila, I park my car in the shopping mall, for example in IKEA. We eat in shopping mall in Mall of Asia, for example. And we take taxi if we need to go somewhere. Taxi, grab taxi, it's okay. Smitty said, yes, cold, but never rains. I am resto of bar in Angeles, right? It's so busy and dangerous driving in Manila, Leon. Yes, Jason. Really, and I have one, you know, I already say about how I drive in Manila and we take my driver license. But it's not big problem. I pick up Shira's grandmother from New York. She just arrived from New York. She stay in New York maybe 5 years or 3 years, I forgot. And we going to Manila airport, pick up her. And just open few days open Skyway. And they have Skyway have like message, not go inside if you don't have card. But I have an Lex card. I think it's okay. And Lex card is same. Thank you very much.
You want milk and sugar?
No. It just is enough for me. They give me now tea. It's great green tea and regular water. That's why I'm talking about Manila. I don't like drive in Manila. But it's okay. Manila, I like shopping good in Manila. So many choice. If you want go to the mall, I like. But I cannot this July, August. I cannot because I have so many travel in July, August. China, Hong Kong, also Russia. I need too many traveling. If you want, I can show video from China, for example, or from Russia. Tita George Travel said, I drive car in Manila, but always carry 500 peso not to drive to traffic enforcers. You know new rules about traffic enforcers. Maybe you don't know. traffic enforcers now scare about take money because new rules only in Manila. You cannot use camera. Also, they afraid. You cannot use camera for traffic enforcers also. But we can use camera. We have body camera. And strict, very strict right now. But 500 sometimes not enough. I think. It depends of situation, of course. But better follow rules and drive carefully in Manila. Everywhere need drive carefully. Even in Angeles. For me, it's main rules give way to stupid. Yes, guys. If someone not right, if someone guy not right, if driver not right, I will give way. Why I need give way? Because sometimes I don't want to problem. Even I ride. I don't want to spend my time in police station, LTO. Even I ride. Even I have many CCTV camera in my car. I have so many cameras, always recording. But I don't want to problem. I don't want to spend my time in police station or LTO or take violation. You see, today don't have music. I will show to you now. Don't have music in Kokomas. Before we start use speaker and not easy to talk. But I think now is sound is okay. You can hear me. Just my broken English. Who don't understand, just please change to another channel. But I try. If I more talk, maybe I have more experience and maybe my English in the future will be better. I don't know. But when I go to China, I need to change my brain like to Chinese language, because in China I always speak in Chinese language. If I go to Russia, I change to Russian language, and sometimes it's not easy, because if very often to traveling. For example, I always traveling to China. I not stay in the Philippines the long time. That's why I don't have. I have tourist only. Okay, thank you. I have tourist visa only. For me, not need visa, because every time I'm traveling I fly to Hong Kong. That's why for me not need. If I need, I can already do it, but not need for me now. No, thank you. Okay, again I show to you walking street, because I know some of people don't like see my face and listen to me. Just who don't like me, just you can watch only video and volume is remove. Inside watch. Signal not good, Leon. Maybe because rain, signal not good. Balibago said watching. Thank you, Balibago. Hi. Sorry if don't have good signal, because sometimes maybe my phone changed from Wi-Fi to data, maybe. That's why maybe you cannot watch good. But sorry, it's not my problem. It's problem maybe about weather. Today also I meet with Georgi near Meika's bar. He give me vitamins. Vitamins we order together. We order always together something in iHerb. Delivery 3 days only. From iHerb to home. to Angeles City. If guys you want to asking something, you can ask now. Because I don't know what I need to talk about. What about girls? No, girls are not interesting. About last time I showed to you pizza video. It's 85 peso only. 85 peso it's pizza, very cheap. Emil Hola. Hi Leon, what part Angeles you can recommend for first visitors who like nightlife? Who like nightlife? Better, it's near Red Street. First, you can rent, use hotel. Hotel, of course. If you want nightlife, just only stay in hotel. Amsterdam, Royal Amsterdam Hotel inside Walking Street or any hotel. Any hotel in the nearby. Not need to so far, because first you need to stay in hotel, walking, and you can choose apartment if you want. You can choose yourself what kind of apartment. In Philippines, Leon, have you blocked me from making comments? No, how block it if you can write to, not problem. No, I not block. Why I need block? It's Philly in the Philippines. It's number one YouTube channel in the Philippines for me. Number one. Even Brian Philly in Philippines live not in the Angeles, but for me it's first YouTube channel. Philly in the Philippines. I watch, I like. I never block. No. Why I not need block? You kind guy. You never say bad words to us. We meet personally. That's why it's no. I never block. Oh, professor, the professor. Hey, brother Leon. Hi, professor. I think you in the makers right now. Maybe playing billiard with Georgia. I can say to who I block only who don't like our video and send bad comments to Shira, to us. So for me it's okay, but sometimes people don't like us. I block. I just not reply. I just block. But why I not block people for no reason? No. Yeah. The professor said not tonight. Tonight, of course, rain now. It's not easy to walk. But now rain little bit only. But still need use umbrella. Jason said you do good video, Leon. Thank you, Jason. Thank you very much. Today I already filming in the Red Street, Walking Street, and Fields Avenue. Also, little bit I walk to the Makers. I forgot name of street. Sorry, I sometimes forgot name of streets. But I just only see many girls here, many walk alone, and sometimes good looking. Sometimes good looking, young. And they walk alone. I just see one girl, young girl, pass by here. Maybe you seen, and two guys, three guys, Indian. See this girl and follow her where she go. I also 12 years ago I walk without camera. Also I have many friends here. Sometimes I go to the bar. It's just interesting for me. But I never thinking about relationship in the girl who work in the bar. No, it's for me it's not good. Because so many normal girls, yeah, so many. Even beautiful girls, even very beautiful girls. I know many beautiful girls before. Models. But who work in the bar? No, it's for me not good. I think it's my opinion. If you have relationship with a girl who work in the bar, you need to bring her to your country. Not stay in the near Walking Street, Red Street. Need to go to another place, far from this area. But if you stay here, it's already up to you. But my opinion, no. If you have a relationship with girl who work in the bar, you can friends with her, but not relationships like a strong relationship. Because if you see girl in the future with another guy, what you think? It's good for you. I and you in America or Canada or Russia, anywhere. And for example, you know she with another guy. And what you want? You won't come back to Angeles again, but you have work, for example, business. And what you can do? Nothing. But up to you guys, up to you. Some of girls in the bars also good. It's depend of girl, of course. Everyone is different. Guys, girls, everyone different. Some of good, some of not. Some of customers also not good. So it's problem not also bar. Jason said, I'd never have relationship with a bar girl. I don't trust. Yes, you can trust. Some of them are good, but need to know her more better. It's how many years she work in the bar. One of my friend from Austria, he is, maybe you know him. I don't want to say name, but he is from Austria, and he said, it's if girl work in the bar more than 6 months, it's already not good relationship with her. But if new girl in the bar, you can. It's this guy say to me. Professor said, truly on my girl from Makers good one. Yeah, of course, some of from good, but it's depend of the girl. Some of girls good, some of guys good. You know, we don't know. Everyone is different. But my opinion, if you traveling always to your country, and if you have relationship with bar, you always to worry about this. Worry about what girl do it right now. What she do it? Where she go? That's why I don't know. Jason said, I had a bar girl stole my wallet short time. I have same experience in Baretta. Yeah, I can explain to you what happened. I also take girl from the bar. Yes, it's very cheap. This time is 12 years ago. It's my first travel in the Philippines. I just only travel from China. And I take girl from the bar. I remember bar. Now already is don't have bar, but I remember this time. And I have Hong Kong dollars. Most of in my wallet have Hong Kong dollars because you know I am from China, from Hong Kong. And have little bit peso, but I pay for her 500 peso tips, pay bar fine, and she leave already for a short time. Leave, come back to the bar. And I open my wallet. I need to go to exchange office to exchange Hong Kong dollars because before when I walk in Baretta, I asked it already. I can exchange Hong Kong dollars or not. They said, yeah, you can exchange. That's why I opened my wallet. Oh, don't have Hong Kong dollars. No, for who? In my room only one person. I come back to the bar. I say to Mama-san, just now girl in the bar visit my room, and after she visit, lost my Hong Kong dollars. I forgot already how many dollars. How much? I don't know how many dollars, but not so much. Maybe maximum I have in my wallet, maybe equivalent of American dollar, maybe $50 American, maybe, because I hold money in the bank card. So Mama-san said, talk with girl, and I said, if she not return money, I say to exchange office who go with Hong Kong dollars, because all Hong Kong dollars I have mark. They all have numbers, but I don't mark, of course, it's just a little joke. This girl return money, really. Girl returned, she said sorry. No, girl not talk with me. But Mama-san say, oh, very sorry. It's okay. I again come back to the bar. I buy lady drink for Mama-san. Yes, I buy lady drink because it's Mama-san talk with girl. And I see it, so it's good. It's my real story, 12 years ago. Jeff, Hell, Bob, thank you so much for live chat from Kokomas. I asked you to do it again. I really appreciate it. Yeah, of course, and before I also filming here live stream. Professor said my girl was only 3 days. Only 3 days, new girl. Yeah, 3 days is new girl. Some of new girls from province, they like naive. I don't know how to say in English. Naive. In Russia, it's naive. Also have Russian naivny. I don't know how to say in English. Naive. They sometimes they cannot speak good in English. They can study English only with customers. Yeah, with customers they can. But some of people in the Philippines, even from province, they can speak English. They watch YouTube movie in English. That's why they can study from YouTube movies. Now time in the Philippines 6:36 in Angeles. Already rain not so big. No, don't have rain already, but wet. Road is wet. 7 p.m. I will walk, take video for you in Walking Street. Tomorrow I will filming in Bataan. We going to Bataan, new place in Bataan. Before we filming in Maroon Bataan, but now we going to the port. Bataan Port, Limay Bataan Port. It's another side of Bataan. I never been in. I don't know if weather is okay. Maybe we traveling also to the Subic. I don't know. Because I also want to visit my friend. Maybe now not good connection. Sometimes connection is not good here. I drink little bit hot tea.
That's what I mean. If I work online, if I live in the Philippines, you wouldn't have to pay taxes.
When I park in the Choking, I saw not so many cars. I think also very few local tourists come to Angeles because not good weather, rain. It's not easy to traveling from province if not good weather. But for me, it's rain is okay. It's not snow. I remember before I drive my car, even snow, even ice on the road.
I like the American.
So I have experience drive car in the if ice road or weather. Just only need change tire, but it's okay. Even not SUV car, even small car, it's okay. I can drive any car. Even truck, I can drive even truck. Before I also export trucks from Japan also. Big trucks also. Even in the weather is snow and cold. It's just not easy to start engine only if diesel engine from the port. So big experience in my life with cars, trucks also, any cars. I start my business with cars maybe when I 25 years old. Before I study and work also in police because of my grandfather. But I don't like it really. This time in Russia it's very criminal. That's why I don't like this time. But now it's okay. In Russia it's already good. It's better. And guys, Masquerade bar still close. Dark. Close.
Travel, say you're Canadian. Americans, you'll get mainly good, but they can come back. Say you're Canadian.
Not good connection now. I see don't have Wi-Fi here already. That's why it's. But it's okay. I can save this live stream maybe in YouTube. I just download again this video. Yeah, I am download this video and save to YouTube. You can watch already go to beta later because this application is save all video. Yeah, it's already, I think. So I see it's connect not good. That's why I will stop live stream. When I come back, I download this video from live stream to YouTube again. And you already can. Sorry, you cannot message to me, but it depends on the quality of the signal. That's why I don't know Next time I will take Wi-Fi, pocket Wi-Fi, and maybe with my Wi-Fi it's better connection. So now I will stop live stream because I see it's no one who watch because of connection, internet connection. Maybe because weather is not good. Okay, thank you for watching. See you next time.